Hello and welcome back to Gears and Tech. We are out here in beautiful San Diego. I want to take you guys on a sunset drive in our featured car, which is a BMW Z4 convertible. This is the brand newest BMW Z4. It's the 3.0i, which means it has a 2-liter turbocharged engine. I'm going to tell you all about the car while we go on this cruise. Come with me for this sunset drive. Particular drive that we're going to take today is on Sunset Cliffs Boulevard here in beautiful San Diego. The sun is setting, so it should be actually a really great drive. The car that we're taking on this drive is a 2019 BMW Z4, the 3.0i version, which means it comes with a 2-liter turbocharged engine, making about 285 horsepower. It's a front engine rear wheel drive car which has close to a 50-50 weight distribution front to back. So that means it should be the ideal driver's car. Features that this car has is an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's got an all LCD dash which has the ability to pull up all kinds of different settings and stuff and change the appearance of that dash. It's got a nice full-size infotainment screen, and one of the things that I really enjoy about this is the fact that it has full buttons. So there's actually tactile buttons for all of the features that you would want to control the dash, the navigation, the climate control, and all of that. So it does have the touchscreen, which you can use, but you've got actual buttons that you can also push for all of those features, which is a huge safety thing for me because I don't like the touch screens.
Of your heart, you can have it back. If it's only part of your
The car also has a number of drive settings which you can change. For example, it's got sport mode, it's got comfort mode, and it's got economy mode. Now, I personally find that the difference between all of these settings is there's not a lot of difference between all these settings. What they're adjusting is your gas pedal responsiveness, your braking responsiveness, and also your steering wheel.
you can have it back. If it's only part of your
review of this car, we do have a video out for that. You can check the link in the description. It's either out now or it's on the way out, and I'll cover a lot more of the features of this car as well as my thoughts about the car. So in this video I wanted to just kind of cover what this car has But if you want to know what I really think about this car, you're going to want to check out that other video that gives you the more review style of the car. But for this kind of drive, a car like this is perfect. It's just driving slow, having some fun. This car can drive fast and is very much a driver's car. If you are a driver and you enjoy driving, this might be the car for you, but you'll want to check out that other review just to be sure. Maybe there's something that you're missing out on.
Of your heart, 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 you can have it back. If it's only half of your heart.
To the end of where I was trying to get to for this cruise though. I'm going to jump out and show you the sunset as it goes down, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.